the spectacular world of drone shows. Hello, everyone. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating topic of drone shows. If you've ever seen the night sky lit up with flying, glittering lights that move in perfect harmony, you might have been looking at a drone show. Let's unravel the magic behind these high-tech performances. A drone show is a modern performance art where multiple drones, equipped with lights, fly in a coordinated fashion to create patterns and images in the sky. Unlike fireworks, drone shows are reusable, eco-friendly, and can be programmed to form intricate designs. They're a blend of technology and creativity, showing how far we've come in both entertainment and aerial innovation. Each drone is a small, unmanned aircraft operated by remote control or onboard computers. In a drone show, these aircrafts are often controlled by a central computer system that synchronizes their movements. This system ensures that the drones do not collide and that they form the desired shapes in the sky. It's a complex dance of algorithms and precise timing. Drone shows are becoming a popular alternative to traditional fireworks displays at events like festivals, sports events, and public celebrations. You might have seen them during an Olympic ceremony or a Super Bowl halftime show. They are especially favored in settings where noise or environmental pollution is a concern. Beyond entertainment, drone shows symbolize the intersection of art and science. They show us that with technology, the sky is quite literally the limit when it comes to expressing creativity. Moreover, their increasing use points towards a future where technology aids in sustainable entertainment. I hope you enjoyed learning about drone shows and the technology that powers them. It's truly remarkable how they illuminate the sky, bringing us together in shared wonder. Until next time, keep looking up. You never know what you might see.